Good day guys, Bing here. Today we're going to model this, not the structure and not the internal, just model this shape. So this, okay, so I something like this. Okay, so let's start. First, we're going to model this in. So you can do it in a project using model in place mass, or just create a conceptual mass. It will be the same. And okay, so now I'm going to go to floor plan. So this will be we need a path. Okay, so if you look at this one, so a path will be something like this. Okay, so let's maybe start from here. So go up. Okay, and so for this path, this time I'm going to use spline. There's a reference spline because I found a spline slightly easier to create a nice path curve, and because we can create a path in one plane, so which is exactly what spline, the difference between spline and spline through points. Spline through points, you can adjust the height, so you can create a spline in three-dimensional space. But spline, if it's spline, it will be only in one plane. Okay, so now let's start. So I'm going to let's just ignore this reference plane. So I'll just do it here. So start from here. Go up, go to the right, go down, go to the left, go up again, and not quite right, but that's fine, we can adjust it. So I'll just finish it here. Okay, so escape, and now let's adjust it. So when you adjust spline, and when you need to adjust the endpoint, so you can't just drag it because this will scale this one. So you need to tab and select. So then you can adjust the end point only. So what we need to do is that we need to try to, I think we need one more point, so control point. So let's add control and click on this so we can have one more point. Okay, so roughly, so you will see this two dash line. So these are the, I think these are the line perpendicular to the direction of that this at this point, at the end point. So we can roughly just move this to close to each other, and also we can adjust the direction. So this is quite important. I'll explain later. So for now, I'll just leave it as it is. And so we can slightly adjust the shape of this spline. Okay, so I think this is it. And now, so if we go to 3D view, you will see, so this line, this spline is in one plane. Okay, so how can we create this? Because you will see this is a three-dimensional, so we can adjust the profile to make it three-dimensional. So first we need to place a point, draw on face, and I'm going to just roughly place it here. Okay, and then we need a reference. So this is the profile of this mass. So draw on work plan, set, pick the work plan at this point, and then we need to think, hang on, which side? I'm not sure. Let's just move it roughly in the middle. Okay, so and you can tab, select, and adjust the size and also the height if you wanted to. And then this is it. So if we select this profile and this path, we won't be able to create a mess because, so you will see if I sweep, so this, imagine this is a sweep, go here and then it will intersect with itself. So this is here, so intersecting. So it failed. So what we need to do is we need to create more profile, and especially at this point, when so this sweep go here, we need to have two profile here. So one under and one above. So now I'm going to move this roughly to here. Okay. So this is on this part of spline, and then select this point together with a profile, CC, copy, and pick new host. So this time pick this pick on this direction. So now you will see these are the two different direction, right? And then we just need to move this one up to make sure. So and V, I think we need to move it up a little bit more to make sure. So they are at this point, it's not intersecting. Okay, so now we need more, because if we, let's try, if we create a, so this is what we have. Of course, we need to extend this to here and also extend this to here, right? So let's delete this mess, and we just need to add a couple more profile. Okay, so let's have a look. So this go to there and it come down. So we need to have profile, lower profile. So CC and pick new host. So I'm going to place it here. And we need another one. So CC and pick new host on here. So now here we have some issue because these two profile, see, they are intersecting to each other. So we won't be able to create a mess. So if I go here, so we will have this warning. So what we need to do is we go to floor plan. So remember this dash line. So currently they are because the angle of these two directions. So what we can do is we can just adjust this. So see now these two profile, they are actually parallel. So I think we can now. So of course I don't think we can. Maybe I'll try. Okay, so let's have a try. Select this one. I'll see if I can tab, drag it to. I don't think we can make it close, but we can just have something like this. I think it's quite good. So now we can select all this full profile and this path, create a form. Okay, still not quite right. Maybe let's I think we move this up a little bit more. I'm not sure where the issue is, but we can always try. Okay, yeah, it seems so. Previously, because the gap here is not big enough, and then I think it's roughly here at this point. So now it works. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. So this is the mess. So, and of course you can, let's try WF wireframe, and you can still adjust the shape. So for example, you can adjust this point, and maybe this point, and this one. Okay. Yeah. And also you can, so let me just h the mask. So see this profile, so you can even create some parameters, and so you can adjust the width. So let's have a try. Okay, so this one, oh, hang on. We need to create a dimension. I'll see if I can create the width. Okay, so let's see if we can adjust it slightly. Yes, it works. And so maybe we can try more. So add dimension, add parameter to it, and so there are two here. So so see that's a dimension there. That's not correct. Let me just h one of them. Yep, this one's good. And apply the width, HR, and HH again. Try to, they are too close to each other. Oh, yeah, this one's already because we'll change the width. And then this and width. Okay, so HR, all good. So now let's try to change this one. So 4 meter. I'm not sure. Yep, it still work. But I think when we increase a little bit more, there will be, oh, actually it's, oh, this is interesting. So actually you can see it's oh, it's not. Yeah, it is, see? Oh, that's interesting. Usually you won't be able to get this in Revit. So Revit will tell you, oh, you can't create this mess, but yeah, it works. So that's it. And of course it's not perfect. There is a little gap here. I don't think you can create a perfect shape, but if you find out, please let me know. Okay. So and then once again you can still adjust the shape. Yeah. And that is it. And I'll just quickly, because I'm not very familiar about structures, especially this is very, I think it's complicated. I'm not sure how to create a structure to follow the shape of this, but if it's just for the look of it, I think we can just use divided surface. So for example, we can tab, so this face, so I'm just only going to do here, so you can use divided surface and then try to adjust the number. So for example, roughly, and then with all these grids, you can create a new pattern-based family. So where is it? Oh, here. And so this, I'll just very quickly create a pattern-based family. So reference, draw on word plan, and I'll just give 100, and then this will create and then more members. So select point, spline through points, reference line. I'll just use that one. Okay, so and then pick new host, because I'm not going to make it parametric, so I'll just create form, another one, and pick new host and another one. Okay, so now if I load this in here and go to 3D view, select this divided surface, we can use this. At least we can create something. Oh, yeah, something's that's fine. So this is because when we create this pattern-based family, so we only have one, And then when we load this into the project, or no, when we load this into a mass, it will twist. It twists the profile for some reason, and then will break this. So what we can do is, it's actually quite simple. We just need copy and pick new host. Okay, same this and pick new host, and then we just need to create a create a form using these two profile, and then that's it. So we just need to move this point. So maybe we can just move this to there, move this to there, move this to there, and then you can also type in 1 and 0. Load this, override, go to 3D view, select this divided surface, and this time it should work. Okay, so this is it. So at least you can use so yeah, you can create something like use divided surface and the pattern-based family. You can do this. Okay, so for the top, I'll just quickly show you if I divided surface. It's a little bit hard. I tried before. It's a little bit hard to match the number, the grids, even if we use the same number. So 40. So let's try 40 and 1. So you'll see here it's not matching. So I think this is not. I'm not sure how to. Oh, hang on. Try 39. Still not perfect. Still not perfect. But actually, I have an idea. So for example, this one. So let me just hide. So uncheck the component, show the surface. So now you will see this pad, the grid. And then if we do another one, so inside, same, I'm going to use 40 and 1. Okay, so at least I think we can probably, so if we try to turn on the nodes, okay, and then also turn on the nodes, then we can try to instead of use pattern-based family, because currently we have this one, right? And we can try adaptive family. So then place 1, 2, 3, 4, and then at least all the members are aligned. So that's some idea. You can have a play, but I think that's it for today. I'll just quickly apply that. So, and also actually, because we adaptive fam and pattern-based families, sometimes you can use pattern-based family for as an adaptive family. So I'll show you. So if you go to family here, because we already have this pattern-based family, so you can find it here. So which is this one. And if you drag this onto here, so you can place this family just like a adaptive family. So you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, and it create this one. So you can place this onto the nodes. So if I go back, turn off the component, and turn on this surface, and then we can place this one. So try CS. Sorry, we can't do CS here. Go component. I think 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then that's that. Just like a adaptive family. And then if you click on repeat, oh, it seems it's still not aligned. We might be able to adjust the number, but I think that's enough for today. So just have a play. Okay, so let me just turn this on and turn this on. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.